Hi guys, very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and you all are enjoying your vacations as well as online classes. So, today I am going to teach you one interesting story about the elephant and the mice. In this story, we will see the friendship of elephants and the mice. But before I start the chapter, I want to tell you something that in English we have the three sections like course, grammar and literature, and you have to make the copies separate wise like course copies, literature copies and grammar copy. So the whatever homework I am giving you so that you can do in their copies, like course homework in course copy, grammar homework in grammar copy and literature homework in literature copy. I hope you all are understood so that you can do their homeworks in the copies. So whenever the school will open, I will check the all homeworks date wise. So don't think that you will not do and you will just watch the videos and homework it's not. No, you have to do it because once a day maybe the lockdown will finish and the school again it will reopen. So you have to face me and you have to show me all the homeworks. So just do all the homeworks every day. And I must guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast and maybe excited for my class. So let's start the chapter. Now here we go. Once there was a valley full of mice. There was a lot of grass in the valley and the mice made their homes in the grass. There was a city of mice in the ground. So once upon a time there is a valley like between hills and mountains, and here it's a lots of grass. And the mice they made their homes in the grass and they made it cities, and the all mice are living on the valley and they all are enjoying. Up in the hills above the valley lived lots of elephants. So up above the hills here also lots of elephants they are living. They lived in the jungle, but one year it was very dry and the elephants had to leave the jungle to look for water. The all elephants they lived in the jungles, but one year suddenly there is the scarcity of water. It's full of dry and elephants they can't even get the water to drink also, and we all know that water is very important in our daily life. Water is important for all the living things. So they just leave the jungle to look the water. Now just see that what happened. They come down the hill and found water in the valley, and the elephants they come down through the valleys and they found water where in the valley. Every day they walked through the valley and every day they walked through the city of mice. So it is the journey of every day because on elephant cities there are very scarcity of water. So every day the elephant they just came through the valley and they come across to the city of the mice to take the water. Now the elephant's big feet crushed thousands of mice, but elephant is he's a big animals and mice is very small. Now every day the elephant he just destroyed lots of thousands of mice from his feet. It was terrible for the mice. Means it is very unaccepted that for the mice they asked, what can we do? The elephants were too big and the mice were too small in front of them. Then the mice said that what we can do, we don't have any suggestions because the elephant is very big and the mice are very small. Next, one day a wise old mouse went to the leader of the elephants. Now, one day the old mice, they went to ask to talk the leader with the elephants that it's a very difficult that you are coming and you are destroying all the mice. Now just see that what happened. But what happened that I will told you in the next video, so continue, just watch the next videos that what happened when the mouse went to talk with the leader of the elephants. So must watch the next videos.